Welcome to my class again. How are you doing today? I hope you all are fine. And today we're gonna continue our lesson 1, classifying triangles. Before we start the lesson today, we have to review the previous lesson. So what are the properties of isosceles triangles? And what are the properties of equilateral triangles? Okay, remind a moment. Give me the answer, please. Alright, an isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal and two angles are equal. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which three sides are equal and three angles are equal. Today, students will be able to classify right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, let's start right angle triangle together. You look at the pictures and do you remember the symbol right here? Use the symbol to mark right angle or to mark 90 degree. Okay, we can classify triangle P or Q is a right angle triangle because we depend on its property. It has one right angle. Note, a right angle triangle can be an isosceles triangle because when the other two angles are equal, it will be isosceles because two angles are equal and two sides are equal will be isosceles triangle the same way. Okay, so now we classify acute angle triangle. How can we classify it? Okay, XYZ is acute angle triangle because it depends on its property. All angles are acute or less than 90 degrees. You see, angle at X, angle at Z, angle at Y are smaller than 90 degrees. That's why we call acute angle triangle. Let's take a note here. An acute angle triangle can be an isosceles triangle or an equilateral triangle. Why? So when two sides are equal and two angles are equal, it will be an isosceles triangle. But when the three angles are equal and three sides are equal, it will be an equilateral triangle. And the last one, we're gonna classify obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse is an obtuse angle triangle. Why? Because it depends on its property also. One angle is obtuse or greater than 90. It means among three angles, one angle must be greater than 90 degrees. And note, obtuse angle triangle can be isosceles triangle, but it cannot be a right angle or it cannot be an equilateral triangle. Okay, so after learns about classifying triangles, we gonna practice try 2 in your textbook page 120 together. It must be your classwork also. So try to remember the 5 kinds of the triangle together. Thank you for watching this videos. Goodbye. Good luck.